Hello everyone, we have made it to another Friday and I'm here to share the most popular Android application and game sales that happened this week. So for those who are not aware, I run a website called playstoresales.com where through the week I go through and I find the best Android application and game sales that are currently available in the Play Store. And once a week here on the channel, I go through my favorite sales that have been posted up on the website. So we've had a decent number of apps and games go on sale this week. Starting with the apps, we have a popular music player called LiquidPlayer Pro that you can get for half off. Artists can take a look at the ArtRage application, which normally costs $5, but you can grab it for $3 for a limited time. And lastly, for the apps, we have Smart Notify Unlocker, which will normally cost you $4, but you can get it for almost half price while this sale is happening. Now on the Android game sale side of things, we have Quadropoly Pro, a knockoff of Monopoly, for half off right now. We have a popular RTS game called Age of History 2. This developer has released a number of RTS games based on world history for only $3 right now. Then we have the Space Grunts game, which is a turn-based action game at half off right now. The popular RPG game Hack Slash Loot by the developer David Williamson is only $1, normally costing $4. Great deal on a fun little game. Neverwinter Nights makes another appearance. These games show up on sale fairly often, almost always for half off. Sometimes once a year we can see this drop to a couple of bucks. You can see the lowest price at $3.49, but usually half off is an average constant deal for this game. Underworld Office, though, is not a game that shows up often for sale from the developer Buff Studio. Normally costing $7, but it's only $3 right now. We have 2 of the 3 Ninth Dawn games. RPG story-driven game published by the developer Valorware. The second installment in the franchise normally goes for $3.50 or $4 at the highest, but you can buy it for $0 and it will stay on your account forever. So while the first Ninth Dawn game isn't on sale, the third game is. A game that normally costs $10 is 50% off during this sale. We have the action-oriented hack-and-slash mobile game Titan Quest from developer Handy Games, normally selling for $8, $9 at the highest, but it's almost at its all-time lows for only $3 right now. And to round up the week, we have a fun little adventure game, a trio actually, Pilot Brothers 1, 2, and 3, normally selling for $4. But if you're just looking for a fun point-and-click adventure game, you can get the first, second, and third installment of this trilogy for only $1 each. So those are the best Android application and game sales of the week. It's certainly not all of them. You can see you'll find those mentioned in this video, as well as many others a lot of them for absolutely free when they used to cost money. And they can all be found on playstoresales.com. I hope everybody has a good weekend.